What happens if a hypothesis is disproven in the scientific method? Have you ever wondered what happens when a scientific hypothesis turns out to be wrong? This is a common occurrence in the scientific method, and it plays a vital role in how science works. When a hypothesis is disproven, it means that the results of an experiment or observations do not support the initial predictions made by that hypothesis. This leads scientists to either reject or revise their hypothesis instead of accepting it as true. Disproving a hypothesis is not a setback. It is an essential part of the scientific process. It helps to eliminate incorrect ideas and refine our understanding of the world. Importantly, scientists cannot prove a hypothesis to be absolutely true. They can only gather evidence that supports it or find evidence that contradicts it. This means that science progresses by ruling out false hypotheses and narrowing down to the most reliable explanations. The scientific method relies on creating hypotheses that can be tested and potentially proven false. If an experiment produces results that do not align with the hypothesis, it is considered disproven. In such cases, scientists typically discard the hypothesis or modify it, and then propose new hypotheses to test. This cycle of proposing, testing, and rejecting hypotheses is what drives scientific progress. From the perspective of weird science, strange experiments, quirky results, disproven hypotheses can lead to surprising findings that challenge what we think we know. For instance, an experiment designed to test a quirky idea might yield unexpected results that contradict the original hypothesis. This can open doors to new mysteries or alternative explanations. Sometimes, disproving a hypothesis reveals strange phenomena that do not fit existing theories, prompting scientists to think creatively and explore unusual possibilities. In practical terms, when a hypothesis is disproven, it can prevent scientists from wasting time on incorrect ideas. It encourages them to think outside the box and develop new hypotheses. Additionally, unexpected results can lead to serendipitous discoveries that advance knowledge in surprising ways. Disproving a hypothesis also highlights that scientific knowledge is always provisional. No idea is ever final or absolute. Thus, when a hypothesis is disproven, it is not a failure but a vital step in the fascinating journey of scientific discovery. Odd results and quirky experiments often pave the way to deeper understanding, making the process of science both exciting and unpredictable.